Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect FreshBooks to invoice insurance clients on time. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your FreshBooks dashboard. Click on the Invoices tab in the left-hand menu. Select Create New Invoice from the options presented. Fill in your client's contact information by clicking on Add Client. If your client is not already in the system, select Set the invoice date to ensure timely billing. Choose the appropriate billing frequency based on your agreement with the client. In the Items section, select or create an item that reflects the insurance services provided. Enter the quantity and rate for the service. Make sure to add any applicable taxes or discounts. Review the invoice for accuracy to prevent any errors. Click on the More Options button at the bottom of the invoice. Enable the Send this invoice option if you wish to email it directly. In the email settings, customize the message if desired. Set a due date to inform the client when payment is expected. After reviewing everything, click the Save and Send button to finalize and send the invoice. Monitor the invoice status in the Invoices tab to ensure it's marked as sent. Follow up with the client if payment is not received by the due date. Utilize FreshBooks reporting features to track payments and outstanding invoices. Adjust your workflow as needed to ensure timely invoicing for all clients moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.